camels?
Because they carry you around, just like horses.
Yeah. What do camels eat?
They eat grass and water, and they drink the water.
Now, camels, they live at the ocean?
No, they live at a different habitat. Just a different desert.
A desert?
Yeah.
Yeah, they live in the desert. Lunchtime, everybody. Today we're going to be trying these John Souls Foods chicken sandwiches that we got from Walmart yesterday. Well, those of us who want to try them. Some of the kids don't want to try them, but I'm going to go ahead and make them. So we have the spicy and the regular. They're supposed to be like Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. Now, we already tried their chicken minis before, and they were really good. They weren't exactly like Chick-fil-A, but they were good, and we cooked those in the microwave. These, I'm going to cook in the oven, because I think even the chicken minis would have been better in the oven. Oh, we got to preheat to 425. My oven angry cooks, though, so I'm going to do 375. So it's going to take about 18 minutes. Okay, so it's looking like just 3 of us want to try these. So we'll do the 2 spicy and 1 regular. We'll put this one back in the freezer. All right, taste test time. Of course, we have to put the pickles on there. And I always put mayonnaise on my spicy chicken sandwich. That's what we're looking like. It tastes like a spicy chicken sandwich. It really does, from Chick-fil-A. Like, I mean, I would be able to tell the difference if I had a real one and then this one, because the bun is a little different, but it is very close and it is very good and cheaper. We would definitely get these again. They're great. Okay, there you go.
Here they come! Holding out of their chicken feeder.
Bonus!
It's pink!
Mm-hmm, got a pink one and a brown one. Looks like we're gonna have a following today. Oh, that was Miss Turkey. I heard her flapping out, didn't she? Yup. Come on, everyone. Yeah, chicky, chick, 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 chick.
She is soft with all her feathers.
Mm-hmm.
But what happened to her neck?
That's how turkeys' necks look.
But I
It helps them gobble
what...
better.
Yeah, but I saw that wild turkey wild flag.
You did? Time to cook supper now. Tonight we're making a homemade Brunswick stew. This is a Paula Deen recipe. So I have the chicken from a rotisserie chicken. I removed it from the bones and all that. We're gonna chop it up in our food chopper. Right now in the pot over here, I'm starting some bacon. We're gonna use, I'm changing just a little bit, pretty much just making more than the recipe called for. Other than that, I don't really think I'm changing anything, but I'll have the original recipe down below for y'all. So I'm just chopping the bacon and putting it in the pot, and then we're gonna chop up that onion and add that. Then we'll chop, lots of chopping. Then we'll chop the chicken in the food chopper. Titus and the kids love Brunswick stew. I like it, as it's not my favorite thing, but they absolutely love it. Anytime we get food from a barbecue place, that's the first thing they want to know. Do they have Brunswick stew? And most of them around here do, but there are some that don't. Like Rib Country, they don't have Brunswick stew. I'm not sure if that Jim's Smoke and Q has Brunswick stew or not. I can't remember. Okay, we got our bacon in there. Now we'll slice this onion and put it in. A miracle. There's a pack of Big Red in my apron pocket that I forgot I had. Oh my goodness. I love Big Red, y'all. It's my favorite gum. I'm just gonna put this bacon inside this container, put it in the refrigerator. I'll probably be making bacon for breakfast in the morning. Can you tell Jonah he left his school stuff down here on the counter? Oh, this bacon is smelling good. We got a little Christmas music playing on the TV. The wind is blowing like crazy. I did go out and blow the yard because it was extreme. Since we had a few days with a little bit of rain, we couldn't really blow the leaves because they were just stuck, you know, to the ground. So today, when I went out there to blow them, it was like a lot of leaves. The trees don't even look like they have that many leaves on them until you start blowing them. So this Brunswick stew is going to be good. I wonder if the boys want cornbread. Maybe I have some rolls. We'll do crackers. I have crackers. Chopping this onion. Me and Sissy do not hide stuff in that family recipe thing over there. Like Hershey Kisses or caramel things. We don't. It is our hiding spot, but everybody knows about it. Manly doesn't like Hershey Kisses, do you?
Oh, yes, I do. Let me show you.
Oh, slow motion. Okay, while this is cooking, we'll chop the chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm using the chopper instead of the mixer because I didn't really want this shredded. I wanted it chopped really, really little. See how it gets it really fine? This is really easy to make too. Once the onions and bacon get done, we just add everything else in, bring it to a simmer and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and get the other stuff we're gonna need. Then we'll wash these dishes. I need creamed corn, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, frozen lima beans, 2 cups of chicken broth, barbecue sauce. Now I got Sweet Baby Ray's for this recipe, but if I have any of the Kinders that it's already open in the refrigerator, I'm gonna use that. I have a little bit of the honey hot and a little bit of the hickory brown sugar, but it's not enough for this recipe and I don't wanna mix the barbecue sauces, so we'll just go with Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. I was gonna get the Kinder's hickory and brown sugar, but they didn't have it in stock. We're gonna be using a cup of the barbecue sauce, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, celery salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes. I am adding a few things now that I'm realizing it, but I'll have the original one linked for y'all. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in the chicken broth first. It's gonna be about half of this carton. The diced tomatoes, 2nd can of diced tomatoes, creamed corn. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in. We need just about a tablespoon of white vinegar, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of celery salt, some black pepper, a little bit of red pepper flakes, and the barbecue sauce. And I know that this doesn't look the greatest, but it's good. I think that's why, as a kid, I would not even touch it, like, I think it was just the looks of it that I didn't like, but I promise it's good. I almost forgot the lima beans, y'all. Once this starts to simmer a little bit, we'll add the lima beans in. Now, most of the barbecue places around here that have Brunswick stew, there are no lima beans in it. So this is a little bit different adding the lima beans, but we love lima beans in our lima bean soup, so I think they'll really like it. I forgot I got the kettle cooked chips and applesauce to go with this, because anytime we have like pulled pork, barbecue, and stuff like that, we love to have chips and applesauce with it. And anytime we get food from a barbecue place that has the Brunswick stew, the kids still love to eat chips and applesauce with that. So we have that. I know it's sort of a weird combination, but it works. Tastes just like barbecue house, y'all. I just did a little taste test. Perfect. So perfect, I almost don't know if I want to add these lima beans, but we will. All right, now we'll just bring it back to a simmer, turn it down, and let it do its thing for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Blowing the heat off of this deal right here. It's the homemade Brunswick stew, right?
Yes, yes.
It smells good. It's Just gotta be patient here, everybody. Patience is a virtue. I am not kidding you. That is great.
Paula Deen. It's a Paula Deen recipe.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was about to say, it's got almost like a smokehouse taste to it. Why does it taste like that?
I'm not sure why it tastes smoky. I mean, I used bacon. Bacon's in there, but it's just.
My goodness, that's good. This is.
Oh, I know what's smoky. It's the barbecue. There's barbecue sauce in it. Sweet and spicy sweet baby Ray's. Yeah.
That's a two-bowl deal there.
We have Santa, fresh and clean, straight out of his bubble bath. Let's see your beard, Santa. Check that out. I think you got a little vanilla wafer stuck in it, though.